Well, from the poverty and hunger statistics, practically nothing. At ito, hindi lang ito totoo sa ilalim ng gobyernong ito. Even during the time of President Arroyo, pinagyayabang that there were, I think, 29 quarters of sustained, continuous growth. But ano yung nangyari sa poverty levels? 2006 to 2009, lumaki pa yung bilang ng mga mahirap. Itong sinasabing 7% growth last year, the SWS survey belies all that. Now, 54% of our people consider themselves poor. There is still, ang unemployment natin has been at historic highs for the last few years. And apparently, itong anti-poverty program na conditional cash transfer has not been with them. So, I think statistics-wise, it can be shown na katulad ng matagal na natin sinasabi, itong GNP growth, GDP growth is not really a measure of development dahil hindi naman ito nararamdaman ng mga karaniwang tao. Wala pa rin trabaho, hindi ang kahirapan, wala pa rin oportunidad sa ating bansa.